Welcome. In this question, we are presented with 5 numbers and the question is asking us to order them in ascending order. So, ascending order is from lowest to largest or smallest to greatest. And these 5 numbers that we are presented with are known as integers. They are whole numbers that are not a fraction or a decimal. So, how do we go about ordering them? So when dealing with negative numbers, I like to think of them as a sort of temperature scale. So what is the coldest and what is the warmest? So with this in mind, we can see from the 5 numbers here that the coldest temperature would be -9 degrees. So if we start with -9, and I like to put a comma after each number so to make it clear to the examiner that I'm separating the numbers. So what is the next coldest or the next lowest? Well, out of these numbers, -8 will be next. Then -3, then 1, and then 6. If we just now quickly check our answer, we can see that the numbers are in ascending order. -9, -8, -3, 1, and 6. Here's another question. If you'd like to have a go at it, please pause the video. So, welcome back if you've attempted the question. We'll now go over it together. So, similar to the previous question, we can think of these numbers as a sort of temperature scale, whereas the negative numbers are almost as if they are colder than the positive numbers. So, with this in mind, we can now order them in ascending order, from lowest to greatest, or in the way that we can think of it, coldest to warmest. So we'll start off with the coldest number, the coldest temperature, which would be -4, then -2, then 0, and now we are in the positive numbers, 3, and finally 7. So now these numbers are now ordered in ascending order, from lowest to largest. If you have found this video useful, then be sure to check out my other tutorials on mathsmedallion.com. Thank you and study hard.